And just to remind you, some of you will find in your movies this 20 micrometers line. This is your scale bar. And a scale bar provides a visual indication of the size of features and distance between features on a map or in an image, yeah, like this one. So here, uh, here you will have, as I said, your scale bar, and as if you watch the other video, the only thing that I think the guy described very well how to use the scale bar. Just I will just zoom zoom in. Okay, sorry. Zoom in very well when you do that because it makes more better your measurement. If you do it when they are very small, it's much more difficult. You can miss or you can make it too big or too slow, and this can modify, change a little bit your results. Here, maybe you know that here is hours and minutes. So here, for example, is 36 hours, 20 minutes. So these two things are very important. Now, as I said before, scale bars are using maps. Here you find a scale bar, scale bar, and in our pictures are fundamental because maybe as you're watching this video how to make it, they can tell us, for example, the size of this structure. So for example, if this is 100, this will be around half, so this could be around 50, and we can know the size of the structures. And in the case of the cell area, it's very important to know these kind of things. So remember, if you watch this video, it will give you in 3 minutes a good idea of how to do the scale bars. In this video, we are going to just do a correction in case that you forget to do a scale bar, or I send you a movie and that it didn't have a scale bar yet. So remember, as they show in the other video, just go to analyze, set the scale, then zoom, and here you can make a line as they describe. And you will find here, maybe, I don't know if in the other video, you just have to write a U and an M, and this will turn it into microns. It will give you this Greek letter. And I just want that you remember this number. Yeah, in many movies they are slightly different. In this case, this is fundamental for you. Yeah, so you wrote here 20 distance. You made the line. You have 20 distance here and this appear. That value, as I said before, can vary between movies, but it will be very useful to do the corrections if you don't have the scale bar. So just take a note and be aware of that. In some movies, many of them will be 4.4, and this one is 3.6. In other ones will be 3.5, depending on how much I zoom in the tissue when I was making the movie in the microscope. So yes, make sure to know this number, and I'm going to show you how to do it. But just to remind you, these type of figures don't need a scale bar. The schematics don't need a scale bar. But if you have pictures of tissues, you generally are going to use for your publication and your figures, all of them will have a scale bar. So this is something that when you finish your project, you need to have a scale bar in your pictures.